Guide ropes make it easier to align your boat over the lift prior to raising. Guide ropes are typically installed in one of two ways, but there will always be two on each side of the boat. The length of your boat and slip, as well as the position of your roof post, will generally determine which way that your guide ropes are installed. If the guide ropes are tied to the rear post on your dock slip, first you will pull your boat into the slip. Then hook the loop that is in the end of each rope to the rear cleats on your boat. Next, switch on the blower motor and turn the valve handle levers to the lift launch position. Quickly grab the bow of your boat and position it in the center of your slip while at the same time pulling forward on the boat. The guide ropes will align the boat fore and aft and center the rear of the boat. Once the lift comes up and contacts the boat, you can release the bow. As the boat continues to rise, the ropes will go slack.